Visit https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com/https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Email support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, or call us at +1 678 648 4277. Here are some sample quiz questions. They are not intended to provide comprehensive coverage of the material covered thus far in 6.00. However, they should give you a sense of the kinds of questions that will be on the quiz. This quiz is open book and open notes, but do not use a computer. 1. Are each of the following true or false? 1. Any program that can be written using only function definitions and calls, the basic arithmetic operators, assignment, and conditionals will run in constant time. 2. Newton's method will always converge on a correct root of a function. 3. In Python, dictionaries are immutable. 4. The value of math.sqrt 2.0 asterisk math.sqrt 2.0 equals 2.0 is true. 5.1 should always avoid iteration when a recursive solution is possible. 6. Typically, the use of functions in a program reduces the total number of lines of code. 7. In Python, retrieving the value associated with a dictionary key takes roughly constant time. Problem. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. 2. Consider the implementations of compare 1 and compare 2, where and bare floats. 1. Do compare 1 and compare 2 return the same value for all possible inputs? If not, give a pair of inputs for which they return a different value. 2.2. Do compare 1 and compare 2 print the same thing for all possible inputs? If not, give a pair of inputs for which they print different things. Def compare 1, A, B if A less than 0, A equals A if B less than 0, B equals B res equals, A equals B, if res, print A and B have the same absolute value. Else, print A and B have different absolute values. Return res. Def absolute underscore value, n if n less than 0, n equals n return n. Def compare 2, A, B res equals absolute underscore value, A equals absolute underscore value, B, if res. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Print A and B have the same absolute value, else, print A and B have different absolute values. Return res 3, consider the following implementation of a function f, where x is a positive integer. Def f xxs equals str x if len xs equals 1 return int xs n equals int xs 0 plus int xs 1 if len xs equals 2 return n else return n plus f xs 2 smiley face. What does f 2112 return? 3.2 Write a specification of f. 4. Provide a Python implementation of a function first underscore n that takes a positive integer, n, as its only argument. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. The function should print the first and perfect squares that are not even numbers. E.g., if n were 2, it should print the perfect squares 1 and 9. 5. Write pseudocode for an exhaustive enumeration variant of guess and check. 6. Provide a Python implementation for the function findSide specified below. Def findSide asks the user to enter the area of a rectangle and the length of one side of the rectangle. Returns a floating point number that is the length of the adjacent side. 7. Does the following function meet its specification? If not, change the program so that it is consistent with the specification. Def f L returns a copy of the list L without modifying L, result equals, for E and L, result.append E, return result 8. At McDonald's, one can buy chicken nuggets in packages containing 6, 9, or 20 pieces. Write a Python function that accepts an integer, number, as an argument and decides whether or not it is possible to buy number nuggets at McDonald's. Write an appropriate specification for the function below. Assume that n is an integer. Def f n s equals str n if lens equals 1, return s dash 1 plus f int s colon dash 1. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Problem 1.1. False. Recursion means your program can run indefinitely. 2. False. You may end up jumping back and forth between the same two forever. Given an S-shaped function, draw a diagram. 3. False. Midict, some key, equals some value. 4. False. Precision is finite. 5. False. Recursion may be a more natural way to express certain problems, e.g., fib heat towers of Hanoi. 6. True. Code reuse. 7. True. A quick lookup. Problem 2. 1. Yes, they return the same value for all possible inputs, at least of the types that we've learned about so far in class. 2. No, they print different things for negative inputs. This is because A and B are updated to refer to a different number in compare 1, whereas they are not updated in compare 2. Solutions. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. 2. Given an integer or a string representation of an integer, f returns the sum of its digits. Problem 4. Def first underscore n count equals 0 current underscore sqrt equals 1 while count n square equals current underscore sqrt asterisk current underscore sqrt hashtag if square is not even if square percent 2 equals 0, print square count plus equals 1 current underscore sqrt plus equals 1. Note about this function, it is a bit strange in that it handles multiple argument types. 1 ef, 2112, returns 2 plus 1 plus f, 12, equals 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 6. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Problem 5. Def guess underscore n underscore check, criteria A for in range, for B in range, for C in range. If satisfies underscore criteria, A, B, C, C criteria return A, B, C. Problem 6. Def find side. 1. Area equals float, raw underscore input, enter the area of the rectangle. Side 1 equals float, raw underscore input, enter the length of one side of the rectangle, return area slash side 1. Problem 7. Yes, it meets its specification, because the list being modified is a brand new list, result, that is created inside the function, then returned. L is only traversed. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. 2. Problem 8. Note the resemblance to the exhaustive enumeration for guess and check in problem 5. We're assuming that by decides, we just need to return true slash false. Def nuggets. Number 4 in range, number slash 6 plus 1 4b in range, number slash 9 plus 1 4c in range, number slash 20 plus 1 if 6 asterisk a plus 9 asterisk b plus 20 asterisk c equals number, return true return false. Problem 9. Given an integer, take the string representation of that integer and reverse its digits, returning this as a string. pythonhomeworkhelp.com.